Okay, so today we got the update firmware version for firmware 1.5 for the Canon R6, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what actually is included into this new firmware update. And so let's go ahead and just straight away let's get going with the firmware update. So you can see here is basically going from 1.4 to 1.5. I was able to go ahead and install it. And of course, on the video side of things, that's the first thing I want to touch, is that nothing has changed. It's still the 25-minute limit for the 4K 60, 4K 30, 2959, and then 4K 24, 2959. So on the video aspect of things, there isn't much that has changed. So I just want to let you all know that it still does, overheat to a certain point if you continue recording on the 4K 60. And but I'm actually using a battery grip on my R6 that I currently just bought. So I'll be running a lot of tests in regards to that battery grip. What difference does it make? And so one of the things I will let you know right now is that when it comes to 4K 60, I was able to record continuously past the 2959 all the way for an additional 5 more minutes, so 35 minutes with the battery grip. Without it, 27 minutes. So that's pretty good improvement on that department. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive down deep inside as to what is included in the new firmware update. Okay, first of all, the 1.5.0 improves the head detection performance to support helmets or goggles in winter sports. But this is pretty cool. I like the second one, which adds vehicle selections to subjects to detect selections in the autofocus tab to support the detection of automobiles, motorcycles, and motorsports. This is something that can be found in the R3, and also can be found, also on the R5, because firmware update does bring that up, I believe, as well as the 1DX Mark III. Okay, moving on. Improves detection performance for eye detection when there are shadows on the face, hair is hanging over the eyes. That's something I'm definitely gonna test out. So that's something that I not encountered with autofocus issues, but I'm glad it's there. So, but again, I need to put that to the test in order to find out whether it does, a better job or not. Next one, adds support for torso detection of a person if the eyes, face, or head are hidden or cannot be detected. A person's torso will be detected and tracked continuously. And that's good. Number 5, adds the ability to import manual white balance from data from the quick control screen when capturing still images. And everything that's now being talked about it's just video wise. That what can we expect? So I don't touch many more parts about photography, just mainly video with the R6. So the next one is adds the ability when using EOS utility or browser remote for remote shooting with 2 cards inserted, and set recording method and select which card to be recorded to. Adds suppress lower frame rate to smooth in display performance, enabling the shooting screen to be displayed with less drop frame rate even in dark locations. It changes the default value FTP server to passive mode to enable. Improves the operation stability during FTP transfer, and it optimizes controls in in-body image stabilization (IBIS) when using specific EF lenses not equipped with the image stabilization function, which is pretty cool. I think that's something that certain lenses don't have the ability to have the image stabilization or have IS, and so there's some EF lenses with that, so that's cool. All my EF lenses that I do have image stabilization on them, so I don't have one that doesn't have one, but it's really helpful to have it there. And lastly, fixes an issue which noise occurs along the edges of bright subjects when using Canon log for movie recording. Something, again, I have to test out to see what can be done. And so that's basically it. That's the new firmware 1.5.0. So if you have an R6, let me know what you think. And I'm going to do another review about the battery grip and those test results. So if you want to see those results, you better go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.